Hello students, welcome to Top Scholars. Today, let us study about the date format and its uses. So let us see what do we mean by a date and a calendar. A calendar has 12 months with each month having 30 or 31 days in it. Remember, in the month of February, there are 28 or 29 days. In this case, we see it is 28 days. Now, if I have to write, the date format which is commonly used is DD, that is the 2 digits used for the date, slash MM. In the MM, we write the number of month, that is January will be the first month. So we write 01. February will be the second month. So we write 02 and so on till December, which is the 12th month. So we write 1 and 2. So MM is for the number of month. And the last slash Y. 4 times Y is for the year. The year is generally represented in 4 digits. So till now, right now we are in the year 2020. So we write 2020. Suppose this is the calendar of the year 2010, 2010. Then the date 5th February will be written as 5th, so 05. So that is for DD. February, which is the second month. So we write 02. And the year, as I said, we have taken to be 2010. So we write 2010. Students, the year can also be written only by the last 2 digits. So we can write 05/02/10. Similarly, in words, this date is written as 05, which means it is 5th. 02, which means it is February. And the year is written as 2010. The year can be just written in numbers like this. So we write 5th February 2010 in words. Whereas in numbers, we have written 05, 02, 2010 or just 10.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.